right, the name is John, J-O-H-N, McNicholas, M-C-N-I-C-H-O-L-A-S, Deputy Fire Commissioner, Chicago Fire Department Operations. This morning, a little after 11, fire units were called to the scene here in the 6300 block of s.Evans. Report of a building collapse. First arriving companies on scene found a 2.5-story frame. It had collapsed, and what it actually did was it collapsed to the north. Fire units, when we get a building collapse, we bring in specialized units that offer us some cameras that we can search through rubble, as well as our rescue squad. So what we did was we looked inside the rubble that exists here today, and more or less we found nothing. The building was vacant. It obviously has signs of some renovation, so we'll be working with the building department to try to determine what might have caused it to fall over, actually.
Do you think the wind was a possibility for it collapsing?
Obviously, with the winds that we got today, it could play into it. But again, you know, we'll find out there was permits pulled and things of that nature to find out if there might have been a cause based on the structure itself.
Yeah. Throughout the city, there's been a lot of dangerous coping and things like that. Can you talk about it for a second? Just how the wind affects.
Anytime we get heavy winds like this, particularly sustained winds in the upper 20s, 30s, and then the gusts coming up into the 40s and 50s, anything that's not secured becomes objects, becomes flying objects. Any kind of dangerous copings have that ability to topple over. So yeah, there's a concern always when the weather and the winds pick up to this effect.
Perfect, thank you.
What time did you call me again? 2250 hours.
A little bit after 11.
Great, thank you.